Take number 4 on what should be a rudimentary and crude voiceover. It's just taking me a long time. What is going on? Let's grab a quick update on this, and maybe I'll explain you something about one of my favorite mods to do on these old classic Fenders involving an LED, or maybe 2, inside of that vibrato circuit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications. Alrighty, that new power cord's installed, and just as a matter of fact, the owner was stating that prior to delivering this amp for service along with his twin, that the vibrato wasn't working. Now, since we're on that topic, could I test it now with the old output tubes and all that stuff in there? Yeah, I could. Though I will actually just try to be more efficient and wait for the new tubes, which are arriving today. And why am I away from the microphone? It's because I'm over here looking through my stash of LEDs just so I can illustrate a point. Do I even have any of these that I'm looking for? I do. All right. You can take, let me grab it. You can take this, and I'll just point with this. This hasn't been energized, so you can take, this is for the oscillator circuit. You can take that tube's cathode bypass cap and its resistor completely off, and put a higher gain solution there in the form of an LED. Now, it could be one of these clear diffuse ones, or it could be one of these old school ones here that just have the red body themselves. You don't need an ultra bright. This is not about light emission, lumens or anything. What you're going to be, what would drive that decision is this. Do you want a super slow trim? I'm talking maybe adding three double-sized caps here in the oscillator loop there. Do you want a super slow trim speed to be available? A lot of people would say yes, but the trouble with that is there's not going to be sufficient gain to kickstart that oscillator. So this will no longer do the trick. And you're going to want to substitute this whole shebang in for one of those aforementioned LEDs. And that will provide sufficient gain, more than sufficient gain, to kickstart that thing at a super slow speed. And what about the top end? Well, yeah. If you replace all 3 caps, the top end will be impacted. It will be slowed down a bit, probably like 20%. Can you still play Machine Gun or Born on the Bayou or any of that stuff? Yeah. But you will lose some top end. So just something to consider. And if you want to round out the edges of that waveform and get more of the rounded, dizzying or nauseating 3D-ish kind of bias modulation type of vibrato effect, then you can just cut your roach open there and replace the neon bulb with an LED. And different colors will have different effects. I think for me, I landed on amber as the one that had the smoothest effect, though red sounds really good as well. You may not even notice. And I'm a little foggy on it, to be honest with you. But you can actually experiment with different wavelengths of light to get a different effect. Or you can just take the easy way out. And where is it at here? Optocouplers here. I just got a drawer of these guys. I love, and I'll show you. Don't ask me to pronounce this name. I call them X-Vive, or I'm not sure, but this is you can see on my thumb side that LED anode end. These are encapsulated in the resin. You can kind of see that it's super shiny on the end there. So you'll have your photoresistor encased within this package, opposite of an LED. And if you use this particular one, I don't have the part number. I can't see the part number. But if you substitute that old school neon bulb for this guy, it will damn near cop that bias wiggle style trim. So for all of my old classic amps that I personally ran, that was one of the first things I did. Besides, like, apply filtering to the reverb if I found that the reverb was too intrusive, and I don't mean from like a dwell perspective. I mean, if the reverb had too much low end, the wet signal had too much low end, or it was too mid rangey, then you can do some limited shaping on that as well. But that's going a little too deep for this particular thing. So I'll check you guys later. Bye.